Hello my friends, story time with Mrs. Beth again. I have 2 stories today to read, but I'd like to do a shout out to my friend Olivia and my friend Joe, who loves the color red. So our 2 stories are called Olivia and The Runaway Heart. Let's read them together. Come on. Olivia. This is Olivia. She is good at lots of things, and she really likes red. She's very good at wearing people out too, because she is busy, busy, busy. Playing, running, playing the yo-yo, stirring a bowl, making things, skipping. She even wears herself out. See how tired she is? Olivia has a little brother named Ian. He's always copying Olivia. Sometimes Ian just won't leave her alone, so Olivia has to be firm. Olivia lives with her mother, her father, her brother, her dog, Perry, and Edwin the cat. In the morning, after she gets up and moves the cat and brushes her teeth with her red toothbrush and combs her hair, and then she moves the cat again, Olivia gets dressed. She has to try on everything. Red bathing suit, red tutu dress, red purse, sunglasses, red pants, red backpack, red underwear, red bathing suit, red hat. It goes on and on. She has to try on everything. On sunny days, Olivia likes to go to the beach with her red beach ball. She feels it's important to come prepared. Last summer, when Olivia was little, her mother showed her how to make sandcastles. Well, she got pretty good at making sandcastles. Look at that one she made. Fun at the beach. Sometimes Olivia likes to bask in the sun, to sunbathe. When her mother sees that she's had enough sun, they go home. Every day, Olivia is supposed to take a nap. It's time for your you-know-what, her mother says. But Olivia is not impressed. Of course, Olivia says she's not sleepy. So she twirls around and dances in her red leotards. On rainy days, Olivia likes to go to the museum. She heads straight for her favorite picture. Olivia looks at it for a long time. What could she be thinking? I think she's thinking that she is a princess dancer. But there is one painting Olivia just doesn't get. I could do that in about 5 minutes, she says to her mother. So as soon as she gets home, she tries it. Uh-oh. Time out, she gets. Then after she has a nice bath, and she has a nice dinner, then it's time for bed. But of course, Olivia's not at all sleepy. Only 5 books tonight, Mommy, she says. No, Olivia, just 1. How about 4? 2, 3? All right, 3 books, but that's it. When they're finished reading, Olivia's mother gives her a kiss and says, "You know, you really wear me out, Olivia, but I love you anyway." And Olivia gives her a kiss back and says, "I love you anyway too, Mom. Good night." The Runaway Heart. Hector was just chilling, kicking back and catching flies, when suddenly he saw a heart fly right before his eyes. A beautiful red heart. "I think I'll try to catch that heart and see what love's about. I'm clever and I'm quick, and so I'll capture it, no doubt." There he is, trying to catch the beautiful red heart. First he tried to use his tongue, the way he'd catch a fly. But when he tried to zap the heart, it zipped up way too high. Then he made a lasso from a hefty piece of rope. He aimed and swung and threw it. Did he catch the heart? Nope. Didn't catch the heart. Aha! I'll try my fielder's mitt, my baseball mitt, and catch it like a ball. He hopped ahead, eyes on the heart, and smacked into the wall. He tried a bunch of other things, a fishing pole, a net. He even flew an airplane up as close as he could get. Oop, he got zapped by the lightning storm. "Ah!" he said, because he can't catch the love heart. Then suddenly he heard a voice that made him turn his head. "You won't find out what love's about by chasing hearts," it said. He turned and saw another frog. The heart was in her hand. She handed it to Hector, and he felt his heart expand. She was sharing with him. And right that second, Hector learned to find love in the end. He didn't need to catch a heart, just share it with a friend. What two great stories! Olivia loved the color red. She sure did. Everything she wore was red. She painted with red. She had a red toothbrush. And you know what? She was very adventurous. She'd like to keep busy. I hope you do things that are fun and you keep busy. And you know what? At the end of Olivia's story, her mommy gave her a kiss and told her she loved her. And she loves her mommy too. And the other story about Hector the frog trying to catch the heart. You know what? At the very end, that other girl frog gave him a heart to share. And they learned to like one another and have fun. So I hope you have fun with your friends and family. Make sure you love them. Red is the best. See you next time.